You want to access the internet with your laptop or computer using your mobile data through the hotspot, but unfortunately no internet access appears. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to get rid of that using your phone's USB cable, just like a network cable. Let's jump right in. Support this channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell to get video like this anytime there's an update. Now, as you can see, I'm not connected to the internet. Connect your phone to your laptop using a USB cable. Now turn on your Wi-Fi and your hotspot as well. Now go to settings. Tap on connections and tap on hotspot. Now here you can see the USB Tethering is disabled. Tap to enable it. Now we are connected to the internet using a USB cable. Now let's figure out if that worked perfectly. Open any web browser. In the search engine, type YouTube. Now in the YouTube search engine, type Tech Envy. This works super fast, and press enter. Now you can watch any video of your choice. If this worked perfectly for you, let me know under the comment section below. The next video I'll be uploading, the preview is right at the end of this video. Make sure you watch and stay tuned. Please consider by subscribing and hitting on the bell. Get updated anytime there's a new video.